Hi beauties, you're welcome to GLOWRITE Beauty World and Skincare channel. So I'll be formulating a 700 grams of whitening body scrub that is super effective for removing dead and dead skin cells. This scrub will safely whiten your skin, fade dark spots and blemishes, and enhance your skin tone, thereby giving you a healthy, radiant looking skin. And I'll be achieving that by using these ingredients. First is brown sugar. I will be using brown sugar, and you can choose any type of sugar that you want. For example, you can use white sugar or you can use a sparse salt. So I'll be using brown sugar for this purpose. The ingredients that I'll be using here has been carefully researched, selected and tried before showing it here, and every single ingredient that I have used here has been converted from percentages to grams before arriving at each ingredient quantity. So if you want to learn more about how to convert and measure skincare ingredients to produce any batch size of choice, you can actually do that by sending me a DM and I'm going to reply. In here is 350 grams of brown sugar cell. Brown sugar removes dead skin cells, hydrates and lightens the skin color and makes the skin glow. The next ingredient I'll be adding here is 35 grams of lemon peel powder. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improves skin elasticity, helps to treat acne and brightens the skin. So I'll also be adding sandalwood powder. Sandalwood contains natural skin lightening agents, and I'll be adding 35 grams of this powder, sandalwood powder. So the next ingredient is camwood, and camwood powder has natural skin lightening properties that can help to reduce hyperpigmentation, dark spots and even out your skin tone. I'll be adding 21 grams of camwood powder. Here is citric acid powder. Citric acid helps to exfoliate your skin. If you have dark patches, acne, scars, dark spots, pigmentation, citric acid will help to effectively work on these uneven spots and clear your skin, thereby providing you with an even toned skin. I'll be adding 35 grams of citric acid powder. Malic acid helps to clear hyperpigmentation, and it will increase brightening and hydrating effects on the skin. I'll be adding 35 grams of malic acid. The next ingredient is mandelic acid. Mandelic acid can lighten and brighten the skin, fades unwanted sunspots, treats acne and scars, and minimize age spots. So I'll be adding 21 grams of this powder. The next ingredient is lactic acid. It is an exfoliant that helps to remove dead skin cells, smooth rough areas, brighten dull skin. I'll be adding 35 grams of lactic acid. And here is honey. Honey contains lightening properties which helps to reduce acne, scars and hyperpigmentation. Honey is effective in brightening a dull complexion. I'll be adding 105 grams of honey. And I'll also be adding 21 grams of whitening activator. It's a whitening booster. Then preservative in 7 grams. It is important to preserve your scrub because you use it in the bathroom and water can easily get into it. So to prevent the growth of bacteria, add your preservative. Once I am done, all I need to do is to stir and mix properly, and the whitening scrub is ready. Ensure that you stir and mix properly to make sure that there is no lumps in the scrub. Then the color is as a result of the Sandalwood powder. That's why it's looking reddish, and that's how it's supposed to be. So that's that for this whitening scrub. Is one of my favorite scrub and is very super effective. If you want to use this scrub, you use it 3 to 4 times a week. I'm just going to package this scrub in a clean container and check out how lovely it looks. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and subscribe, like, share to your friends, and if you have any question, go ahead and comment below. See you soon. Bye for now.